Unit number first, transformer. Transformer is a static device which converts change in frequency with change in voltage and change in current. That means in which change in frequency means change input frequency with respect to output frequency, but that is constant frequency, that is 50 hertz frequency used in transformer, and this frequency does not change, and this type of concept is called as transformer. Okay, then in this presentation I have to explain basic concept of transformer and types of transformer. And also transformer, there are two types of transformer. First is power transformer and second one is distribution transformer. Okay, that means there are two types of the transformer, and the transformer is the hearth of alternating current system. That means transformer can be operated with the help of AC system, that is AC supply, does not operate in DC supply, because transformer concept is depends on alternating current and alternating voltage, and these alternating current and voltage both are depends on time. In AC system time is present, but in DC system time is absent. That means transformer basically operate on single phase as well as three phase supply. Now this is the introduction of transformer and their types. Okay, now unit 1 is transformer, and the overview of the unit number 1 is in which we have to need of transformer. Okay, then also need introduction, then history, then working principle of transformer, construction and working, then types of transformer, applications, then concept of auto transformer, and last one is the bibliography, that is called as references. Okay, now this is the contents used in transformer basic and transformer types. Okay, now first point is need of transformer. That means why need of transformer in substation or distribution station. Okay, now also this concept of transformer depends on voltage. Maybe the voltage maybe depends on proper level. Okay, then also transformer voltage is depends on step up voltage and step down voltage. That means the concept of transformer is depends on step up. That means output voltage is greater than input voltage. Okay, now this is called as step up transformer. Then step down transformer, output voltage is less than input voltage. Now this type of transformer is called as step down transformer. That means need of transformer is depends on output voltage. Okay, and this output voltage may be greater than or less than. Now this whole concept is called as need of transformer. For increase or decrease the voltage depends on consumer side or manufacturer side. Now this is the overview of the need of transformer. Then also transformer is a static device. That means there is a no rotating part. Okay, then transformer, it convert electrical energy from one part to another part without change in frequency with change in voltage and change in current. Okay, now this is the substation and in which we have to use transformer. Okay, now this is the step up transformer. That means output voltage is greater than input voltage. and this input voltage is given to the transmission line, that is three phase transmission line. Also in this is sending end station and this is receiving end station. Okay, then in receiving end station use step down transformer, that means output voltage is less than input voltage, and this input voltage is given to the, this is the consumer side or customer side. Okay, now these are the customers. Okay, then this is the customer requirement is 26,000 volt and 69,000 volt. This is the sub transmission customer. Okay, then also primary customer, the primary customer requirement is 13,000 and 4,000 kilo 4,000 volt. This is the primary customer require voltage. Then secondary customer require voltage is 120 volt and 240 volt. Now this is the exact concept of transformer using substation. Then history of transformer. Then first transformer developed in 1885, and this transformer developed by Otto Blathy with the help of Mixa Aderi. Now these are the two scientists' name to first develop transformer in 1885. Then also this transformer can be modified with their practical mode, and scientist name is William Stanley. Okay, now the this scientist developed three phase transformer. Also another commercial transformer developed in USA in 1886. Now these are the structure of three phase transformer. Now this is the history of transformer, that means first transformer developed in 1885 in USA. Now this is the whole concept of history. Then now this is the three phase power type transformer. Okay, then next point is working principle of transformer. Then the working principle of transformer is operate or works on principle of electromagnetic mutual induction. Okay, that means transformer consists of two windings, that is primary winding and secondary winding. Okay, then this primary winding is connected to the input side. Okay, primary winding is connected to the input side and secondary winding is connected to the output side. Okay, then voltage is applied to the primary side, then this voltage apply, then current flowing to the primary winding of the transformer, then EMF get induced in primary winding of the transformer, then this EMF can be converted into flux, and this maximum flux passes from input side to output side. Output side means that is load side, then current flowing through the load side. Now this is the working principle of transformer based on the concept of electromagnetic mutual induction. Now this is the overview of the working principle of transformer with the help of primary winding and secondary winding of the transformer. Okay, then next point is Then next point is construction of transformer. Then construction of transformer classified into five types. First one is laminated core, then winding using transformer, then tank of transformer, then isolation using transformer, then breather using transformer. Then the laminated core can be made with the help of iron core and copper core, and the main function of iron core is to minimize this current with the help of laminated core. Also, transformer winding consists of primary and secondary winding, and this winding can be made with the help of copper and aluminum material. Also, in transformer in which use tank, this is also called as conservator tank of the transformer. Okay, then this transformer tank can be placed on the top of the transformer, and the tank shape in the form of cylindrical or cubical. Now this is the concept of tank. Then also isolation is need for oil and core, that means in which use synthetic oil, and this synthetic oil provide isolation between core and tank. Then last point is breather. Okay, when the temperature changes occur in transformer oil, then the transformer oil can be extract or contract or expand, and in which that means large amount of air exchange between transformer oil at that instant. This exchange of air means provide coolingness for breather. Now this is the concept of breather used in transformer for cooling purpose. Now this is the whole concept of or whole construction of transformer. Also, this concept of construction of transformer using single phase transformer as well as three phase transformer. Then also, in which we have to need introduction. Then transformer is static device, and this transformer change the voltage level from one side to another side. That means transformer consists of two or more stationary magnetic circuit, and this circuit are coupled to each other with the help of magnetic flux or winding. Also, transformer also provide change in voltage, change in current without change in frequency. Also, in transformer use step up generator voltage. That means the main function of step up generator voltage change the voltage level from input side to output side. Now this is the concept of introduction. Then next point is what is transformer. That means what is the meaning of transformer. Transform means change the voltage level from one side to another side. Also transformer is a static device, and it converts voltage level from one side to another side. Okay, then also there is a no electrical isolation between transformer winding. Also, this transformer change the voltage level from one input side to another input side. Okay, then also in which we have to need construction. That means construction of primary winding and secondary winding with change in voltage and change in current without change in frequency. Now this is the concept of transformer. That means transformer, it works on principle of mutual induction.